2 sheets of plastic wrap, I place the chicken breast. We will pound it until about ½ inch or 1 centimeter thick with the meat mallet. If you don't happen to have it, you can use rolling pin or heavy pan. We will then remove the plastic wrap and rub the Dijon mustard all over the pound chicken breast. And then sprinkle garlic powder, pepper, paprika, and salt. And place the slices of beef ham and slices of Swiss cheese. And then we will evenly roll the chicken. How we roll this chicken, same way with how we roll the sushi. If you are interested to do sushi, you can go to my video on how to make an easy and simple sushi tutorial. So we'll wrap the chicken in the plastic wrap tightly and use the excess plastic on the sides to twist. This is to firm up the rolled chicken for cordon bleu as we work. We will then tie the excess plastic and repeat with the remaining ingredients and the same process with our other chicken breast. After pounding the chicken breast, we'll add the Dijon mustard, garlic powder, pepper, salt, and paprika, ham, cheese, and roll it. Spin and tie both ends. After that, we will chill the rolls in the fridge to set for 30 minutes. We will then prepare 3 separate large wide dishes or bowl with the flour. We will use 1 cup all-purpose flour and then 4 beaten eggs and 2 cups breadcrumbs. After the rolls are set, we will dredge the chicken first in the flour and then in the egg and then to the breadcrumbs. After that, we will preheat a tall-sided pan with 2 inches of oil in medium heat. Once the oil is hot, we will place the breaded chicken cordon bleu in the oil and cook for about 5 minutes per side or until the outside is an even golden brown. We'll then proceed to the sauce. In a small saucepan over medium heat, 3 tablespoons butter and 1 teaspoon garlic powder. And add 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour and whisk for 1 minute. And then add 2 cups milk and whisk until fully combined. After that, we will add 1 cup shredded Parmesan cheese. We will continue whisking until the mixture comes to a simmer and has thickened. Salt and pepper to taste, with the roux and no lumps remain. We'll then remove the pan from the heat and set aside. We will slice the chicken and serve drizzled with sauce. There you go, our crispy and creamy Dijon cordon bleu. Thank you for watching.